The woman who turned a stolen idea into a silent revolution. What if one of the most used inventions in the world was created by a woman they tried to take everything from? Today you use paper bags without thinking twice in supermarkets and stores, but there was a time when that didn't exist. Her name was Margaret Knight. She was born in 1838, at a time when women were not seen as inventors or engineers. At just 12 years old, while working in a textile factory, she witnessed a horrific accident that would change her world. A piece of a machine shot out and nearly killed a worker. Most would have forgotten it. She didn't. She designed a safety device to automatically stop the machine if something went wrong. She didn't receive recognition, but she saved lives. Margaret understood something that would define her life. Problems are everywhere, but so are solutions if someone decides to look for them. Years later, in a paper bag factory, she noticed a limitation. The bags were weak and impractical for the rapidly growing commerce. She designed a new machine capable of cutting, folding, and gluing paper to create flat-bottomed bags, the same ones we use today. It was a brilliant idea, but also a vulnerable one. Before she could patent it, a man named Charles Annan saw her design. He tried to steal it. He filed the patent as his own, convinced no one would believe a woman could create such a machine. But Margaret didn't stay silent. She took him to court. At a time when women barely had a legal voice, she defended her work. She showed technical proof, showing that every part, every mechanism came from her mind, and she won. In 1871, Margaret Knight received the official patent. She didn't just protect her invention. She defended the right to be recognized. Her machine revolutionized the industry. Commerce grew. Products could be transported better. Stores changed forever. Throughout her life, she registered more than 20 patents. She never stopped creating. She never stopped questioning. For a long time, her name remained in the shadows. But Margaret proved that ideas have no gender, that talent doesn't ask for permission. Next time you hold a simple paper bag, remember, you're holding the result of a mind that refused to be ignored. If you want to discover more stories like this, subscribe to Untold Legends. Tell us about the extraordinary people in your city. What seems small today can change the world tomorrow, because the next untold legend could be you.